Hello friends, Namaskar and welcome to the 14th episode of video series DK's Hal. In the previous episodes, we have tried to understand the current state of conventional farming, that is declining profits due to poor soil management and necessary steps to restore soil productivity and its fertility. In future too, we will include topics on soil, but currently we will move towards crop management. This episode will focus on macronutrients. Kindly have a look at this image to find the essential elements needed for plant growth and development. Also have a look at the essential elements needed for our body. Are they not almost the same? And why should not be the same? As it is directly related to the food that we eat. You know, whether we are vegetarian or non-vegetarian, plants are the primary source of food for all of us. Let us try to correlate certain interesting facts. One must have heard some senior or older people saying that a particular taste or some flavor or something else is missing from the vegetable or salad or fruit or some other food item that we eat. And now the shelf life is also very less. At the same time, most of us have sufficient food and there is hardly any case of hunger death in the past few decades. But you will agree that the number of people feeling sick or developing various health issues have increased manifold. As a result, doctors prescribe vitamin or nutrient pills to address one or the other nutrient deficiency. It means we have food security but lack nutritional security. Is it not a great evidence that the food we eat are deficient in contents which impart nutrition or taste or flavor, etc., for which we eat them? This also has a direct effect on our immune system, leading to several health issues. Excess or deficiency of nutrients has almost similar effect on plants as well as human health. Therefore, to address the human health issues, it is of utmost importance to put focus on proper and balanced nutrient management of crops being cultivated regularly. Now, we will spend some time understanding the major role of different elements and the possible damages being caused to the plants in case they are deficient in the soil. You know, nitrogen is the most widely used input. In the earlier episodes, we have discussed in detail about nitrogen. You know very well that it is a major component of chlorophyll being used to produce food. Nitrogen is also a major component of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. Without proteins, plants wither and die. It is important to note that deficiency symptom of nitrogen, that is yellowing of leaves, starts from the lower leaves. Next major nutrient is phosphorus. It is found in every living plant cell. Phosphorus is vital to good plant health, seed production. It catalyzes important plant functions including photosynthesis, nutrient movement within the plant, and transfer of genetic characteristics from one generation to the next. Most Indian soils are deficient in phosphorus. However, compared to nitrogen and potassium, it is more difficult to diagnose phosphorus deficiency. In case of phosphorus deficiency, plants show abnormal decoloration during growth, poor seed development, etc. Third major nutrient is potassium. The main role of potassium is to regulate plant growth as it helps in protein synthesis and production of ATP. It helps in opening and closure of stomata, improves drought resistance, disease resistance, maintains turgor of plants, and reduces water loss and wilting. Potassium deficiency causes brown scorching and curling of leaf tips, plus chlorosis or yellowing of between leaf veins, stunted growth, and reduced yield. Regular soil testing is essential for proper nutritional management of soil and crop, but based on the symptoms, appropriate measures should also be taken to rectify these deficiencies. In general, for producing a ton of cereal grains, about 20 to 27 kg of nitrogen, 8 to 19 kg of phosphate, and 24 to 48 kg of potash are required. Whereas pulses need higher phosphate and potash than cereals, and rapeseeds remove quite a bit of nitrogen and very high amount of potash. Based on research findings, it has been proved that proper application of phosphate and potash also improves the efficiency of applied nitrogen. Therefore, balanced nutrient application to the crops not only help to produce nutritious food, but also improve the nutrient use efficiency of soil. Therefore, Nutrient management in a farm needs to be balanced and determined on the basis of soil test results, crops, and its variety to be cultivated. Thanks, like the video and subscribe the channel, share with friends, and give feedback so that we can include new topics for further discussions.